Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this segment, we'll explore specific smells and their potential issues in more detail. Remember, a clean car not only feels better but also makes every drive more enjoyable. Take the time to conduct a thorough cabin inspection, and you'll prevent odors from becoming a bigger issue down the road. By incorporating these steps into your car inspection routine, you'll be taking an important step towards maintaining your vehicle's overall health and enhancing your driving experience. Pay attention to your nose. It can guide you in ways you may not expect. Importance of addressing smells detected. When you notice a strange smell in your car, it's not just an annoyance, it's a signal. Ignoring these smells can harm your vehicle and put your safety at risk. It's essential to be proactive and investigate any odors to keep your car running smoothly and to protect yourself on the road. Let's break down why addressing these smells is crucial. Preventing further damage. Timely detection of smells can save you from significant repairs down the line. Just like a house with a leaky roof, if you ignore a small issue in your car, it can lead to much bigger problems later. Here are a few reasons why addressing smells swiftly is beneficial. Cost savings. Fixing a small issue is generally cheaper than repairing extensive damage. For example, a burning smell can indicate overheating components. If caught early, you may only need a minor repair, such as replacing a belt. If ignored, however, you might face a full engine replacement. Vehicle longevity. Just like regular checkups help maintain your health, keeping your car in check ensures its longevity. Addressing smells early can extend the life of your engine, brakes, and other crucial systems. Peace of mind. Knowing your car is in good working condition makes driving less stressful. No one wants to drive with the constant worry of a breakdown looming. Safety considerations. Ignoring smells can also pose serious safety risks. Some odors are red flags that suggest dangerous issues. For instance, gas leaks. If you smell gas, it's vital to address it immediately. Gas can ignite easily, leading to fires or explosions. Don't wait. This is a serious matter that requires immediate attention. Electrical problems. A burning plastic smell often points to electrical issues. This could lead to short circuits or even fires. It's not just your car at risk, your life could be endangered as well. Toxic fumes. Some smells, like those from coolant leaks or burnt oil, can release harmful substances. Inhaling these fumes is dangerous, especially over time. Just like a smoke alarm alerts you to danger, smells in your car should trigger an immediate response. Don't let simple odors signal larger problems that could endanger you and your passengers. By paying attention and investigating any unusual smells, you ensure not just the health of your car but also the safety of everyone inside. Professional help versus DIY inspection. When it comes to identifying strange smells in your car, you might wonder whether to take matters into your own hands or call in a professional. Both options have their strengths, and knowing when to do which can save you time, money, and headache down the road. Here's a closer look at when to seek help and how to check for smells yourself. When to seek professional help. While some smells can be easily identified, others might signal serious issues that need expert attention. Here are some scenarios where a professional inspection is advisable. Strong, burning odors. If you smell something that resembles burning rubber or electrical components, it's best to let a mechanic handle it. This could lead to fire hazards or severe damage. Gasoline smell. Detecting a gasoline smell is not normal. It may indicate a fuel leak that could be dangerous. A professional can find and fix the issue safely. Sweet smell. A sweet smell can point to coolant leaking, which often leads to overheating. Professionals can check the cooling system thoroughly. Rotten egg odor. If you smell rotten eggs in your vehicle, it might mean your catalytic converter isn't functioning correctly. This requires specialized knowledge to handle. Unusual engine sounds. If smells come with strange noises from the engine, it's a sure sign to consult a pro. Don't risk further damage by delaying. By seeking professional help for these smells, you ensure that you tackle potential issues head-on, with someone skilled in proper diagnosis and repair. Inspection tips. If you decide to conduct your own inspection for car smells, here are some tips to help you do it effectively. Start with a good sniff. Get inside your car and take a deep breath. Identify if the smell is stronger in certain areas, like near the front or back. Check your fluids. Look under the hood for leaks. Check oil, coolant, and transmission fluid levels. Leaking fluids can often be the source of strange odors. Inspect the cabin air filter. A dirty or moldy cabin air filter can create musty smells. Replace it if necessary for a fresh aroma inside your car. Look for trash or food. Sometimes, the source of a bad smell is simply forgotten food or trash. Clean your car thoroughly, including under the seats. Consider driving with windows down. If the smell lessens when fresh air enters, it could be an internal issue. Prolonged bad smells could signal deeper problems. Use a dog nose. Dogs have a strong sense of smell. If available, bring your furry friend along for the ride. They might alert you to odors that you miss. Taking these steps can help you pinpoint the source of car smells. If your inspection raises red flags, don't hesitate to call a professional. It's better to be safe than sorry. Regularly monitoring smells in your car can save you from bigger issues down the road. Whether it's a sweet scent indicating a coolant leak or a musty odor pointing to mold, being attentive helps you catch problems early. Don't hesitate to take action if you notice any strange odors. Your vehicle's health and your safety are worth it. What unusual smells have you encountered in your car? Share your experiences and tips below. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.